Now that we listened to the story 10 Red Apples, we are going to practice counting 1 through 10. How many apples are on the tree? Count the apples and then touch your answer. Let's count the apples together. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 red apples on the tree. How many apples are on the tree? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you touch 5? Great job! There are 5 apples on the tree. Now count the apples on this tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch 8. Great job. There are 8 apples on the tree. Now try this one. How many apples are on the tree? If you counted 4, you are right. There are 4 apples on the tree. How many apples are on this tree? Count and then touch your answer. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples on the tree. If you touched 6, great job.